Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Gorilla Original Glue, the product that started it all. Original Gorilla Glue built a name for itself with its incredible industrial holding power and versatility. The water-activated polyurethane formula expands into materials to form an incredibly strong bond to virtually anything, making Gorilla Glue your solution for almost any project or repair. All surfaces must be clean and tight-fitting. Wear gloves to avoid skin contact. Gorilla Glue will stain skin and ruin clothes. Gorilla Glue is cured with moisture. Lightly dampen one surface with water. For non-porous surfaces, glass and metal, and dense hardwoods, scratch up surfaces first and lightly dampen both surfaces prior to gluing. Do not add water to bottle. Spread a thin layer of glue on other surface. Do not over-apply glue. Gorilla Glue will foam 3 to 4 times in volume. Clamp objects together for 1 to 2 hours. You can use heavy objects to achieve clamping pressure. Strength of bond line improves with better clamping. For bottle sizes, 4 Oz. And larger, we suggest squeezing excess air out of the bottle. While still squeezing, tightly replace the cap and then store in a cool, dry place. Our second best wood glue is Titebond 3 Wood Glue. Titebond is known for the best in construction adhesives, flooring adhesives, caulks and sealants, as well as the industry's most renowned line of woodworking glues. Titebond 3 4 Oz Ultimate Wood Glue. Bonds porous wood and wood-type materials. Features a strong initial tack. Has superior strength, long open assembly time, and is sandable. Low application temperature, non-toxic and solvent-free. Easy, water cleanup. Can be used for both interior and exterior applications. Unaffected by finishes. Meets ANSI HPVA Type 1 water-resistant specification. The ultimate in performance and application, this top-rated glue provides the strongest, most durable and waterproof bond possible with water-based technology. Ideal for both exterior and interior woodworking projects, Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue offers a longer open time, lower application temperature, excellent sandability. Not for continuous submersion or for use below the waterline. Not for structural or load-bearing applications. Do not use when temperature, glue, or materials are below 47 degrees Celsius. Keep from freezing. Keep out of reach of children. Third in our list is Loctite Power Grab Heavy Duty Adhesive. Loctite Power Grab Express. Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive is a premium quality, high strength, gap-filling adhesive for both indoor and outdoor projects. This construction adhesive has 0-second instant grab. This extremely high-tack adhesive reduces the need for bracing with nails and screws in many DIY projects and repair jobs, and is repositionable for 15 minutes with a cure time of 12 hours. Loctite Power Grab. Heavy duty is both weather-resistant and paintable. The adhesive has a very low odor and requires only soap and water to clean up. This makes it safe, easy to use, and environmentally friendly. Loctite Power Grab Express Heavy Duty is also third-party GreenGuard Indoor Air Quality Certified and GreenGuard Certified for children in schools. Heavy Duty, Instant Grab Adhesive dries white and is paintable for a professional finish. Bonds to a variety of construction materials including wood, drywall, plaster, ceramic, concrete, masonry, brick, foam board, cork, and vinyl cove base. Number 4 in our best wood glue list is FastCap Thick Wood Adhesive. This powerful adhesive refill was designed for FastCap's 2P10 Solo Bonding Kit. Use the thick adhesive with the respective 2P10 activator to create long-lasting bonds in 10 seconds on most surfaces, including on porous materials such as particle board. Simply apply the thick adhesive to one surface and spray activator on the other. Pressing the two sides together creates a firm, permanent bond that holds up under all weather conditions. Bonds cure in approximately 30 seconds. The glue is also ideal for use on hard joints, as it won't clamp. To prevent glue clumps and clogs, a special no-clog cap seals the adhesive when not in use. The adhesive refill also comes in a protective hard-shell case. With its superior filling properties, this adhesive is perfect for effectively filling micro and medium cracks, ensuring a seamless repair every time. It provides crystal clear finish. Once dried, this adhesive becomes transparent, ensuring a flawless finish with zero visible glue lines. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this adhesive is designed to meet your needs. It offers reliable bonding performance and ease of use for a wide range of woodworking applications. Our last pick is MITREAPEL Ca Glue. The simple-to-use instant glue will make your project so much easier. After cleaning both surfaces, just spread the 2 to 3 drops of Ca glue per square inch on one surface and spray the glue activator spray on the other. Wait 10 seconds and then bond the pieces 5-12 seconds together. Our 2-part Ca glue with activator will help you achieve a clean and professional result no matter what your project is. Great for industrial and personal projects, this super glue will give you the bond you need. With our Instant Bond adhesive, your project will be ready in seconds. Thanks to our special Ca glue activator, your project will be ready in 5 to 12 seconds. Without the activator, cure time can take up to 2 minutes. The aerosol super glue accelerator provides a fine mist that is easy to control. And thanks to the viscous liquid of the glue, your project won't be a mess. Just a little bit of 2-part super glue will be plenty. This cyanoacrylate accelerator is suitable for use on a variety of materials from wood to glass and stone to metal. Avoid using the cyanoacrylate glue on non-stick surfaces and polyethylene products.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!